早上7点半的人才公园人超级多，你看那边有锻炼的，跑道上面到处都是跑步的。然后往前面看一看，看一下他们在干什么。
Hey!
So what you guys doing here?
So we have a weekly park run. So there's a community of us that comes together every Saturday morning to run either 5k or 2.5k around this beautiful talent park that we have here. So yeah, we're just about to start.
Okay, so can I put this microphone?
Sure. Cool. So we're just going to go over and we're just going to get the race started. Okay? Go. So I'm a teacher.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I teach mathematics.
Cool.
Yeah, so the school I work at is Harrow here in Shenzhen, and I'm the head of mathematics.
That's cool. So
Yeah.
do you think it's fine for me to join you for the whole day?
That'll be really cool, actually. Yeah, you can see what I do and look at my school. Yeah.
今天我们要在这里跟随着 Martin 来感受他的一天，很好奇究竟作为一个数学老师在国际学校是什么样的呢？
It's a fabulous entrance hall, and we have, on our way in, we have our 6 houses. So all of our students are placed into houses, kind of like Harry Potter style.
Right, like
yeah,
Hogwarts.
yeah, it's very, very cool. So John Lyon is one of the founders of Harrow. We have Winston Churchill, Song Jingning, Deng Xiaoping,
Oh,
David
Deng
Attenborough.
Xiaoping.
Yeah, so all of our houses are named after famous people as well. And they compete in houses. They have a head of house that looks after the students, their well-being and their care, which is also very, very nice. Yeah, shall we go through? Yes. Yeah. Okay, so let's go up to my class.
We're starting 5 minutes, right?
5 minutes, yes.
So do you excuse me to attend your class?
Oh, it'd be great. How good's your maths?
I think 80 out of 100.
Fabulous. That's really good. Okay, guys,
Here we
in you come.
Nice to meet you, everyone.
So, we were looking at these arithmetic sequences, okay? And we looked at how we were going to prove them, and we generated a formula for the summation. Don't forget, maths isn't just about the calculations, it's about communication and interpretation. So, what do we need to write? Doesn't matter if it's not.
He will not only tell you what the formula is, but also the story behind it, who come up with this formula, how to prove it, how to answer it in actual exam.
He was very professional. Of course, he's an examiner and he knows the structure of the syllabus.
Yeah, and today we're going to rehearse ready for next week's concert. We normally are in the classroom, but it's important that we also rehearse in the space.
So if possible, can I join you guys and listen to rehearsal?
Sure, sure. Okay, so we'll start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 3, 4, 1. One thing I'm really happy for is coming here, I've been able to set up a small chamber string group and do that. So I get to help students develop and grow whilst doing something I really enjoy as well. So while it's in a school context, it's not technically mathematics teaching. So that's quite fun.
You come to this school last August,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So how do you like it?
I love it. Being a very experienced maths teacher and also an experienced middle leader, what I've really enjoyed coming here is, with it being a new school, you can start things the way that you want them to then progress. I'm going to end up here with a curriculum that I've been dreaming of for about the last 20 years of my teaching. So to have it set up in a way that is really beneficial to students, I can do that here, and that's really fun.
So it sounds like Shenzhen is the city that makes your dream come true.
Yeah. Yeah, it's certainly looking that way.
So what motivates you to move from Suzhou to Shenzhen?
And I think the education that my daughter gets here is a better fit for her than her previous school. That interconnectedness from Shenzhen to the rest of East Asia. So yeah.
So besides teaching, what are your hobbies in Shenzhen?
When I was in Suzhou, we used to have a running community, Suzhou Striders. When I got to Shenzhen, I couldn't find anything. A colleague, somebody who works here with me, she was in Suzhou as well. We decided to start that community again. So we set up Shenzhen Striders. Again, if it's not there, make it happen. Around the world for about the last 8 or 9 years, there's been something called Maths Jam. But the idea is it's an opportunity for people who just like maths puzzles to come together, meet in a social environment, and I've learned a lot about the history of Shenzhen. Like I didn't realize I was living in a city that I'm older than. I mean, I know Shenzhen is a very fast growing city. The convenience of everything is also very good. Yeah.
Nice to join the math jam, I guess. Yeah, but actually I'm really curious about what we're gonna do for tonight.
What are we gonna do tonight?
Always a surprise every week. Yeah. So every month, a different maths jam from around the world writes some games, puzzles, questions, problems for everybody else to do. And actually the one I think we're going to spend a lot of time on is making these things called dragon curves. So what we need to do this is strips of paper.
So we have to cut this into 4 strips, right?
4 strips, yeah. And again, you can either use a knife or you can make a sharp edge. And we're going to fold them in half lots of times. So take the left hand, fold it to the right end.
For how many times?
4.
4.
So when you unfold it, you unfold it 90 degrees at a time. So if you unfold one fold, that's your, just once, gives you that shape
Okay.
on the end. If you do it again, it gives you this shape. What you'll see is you'll get that shape, which is the one that's actually on the page.
By the way, always.
That's it.
在深度体验了一天 Martin 的生活之后，给我留下最深刻的印象就是这个去年8月份才来到深圳的英国人，实际上早就是一名精神深圳人了。你看，在他的生活圈中，没有跑团，他就自己组建了一个；没有数学吧，他就组织朋友，又创造了一个。这种敢闯、敢试、敢创新的精神，不正和我们深圳一样吗？